So basically, I'm just gonna chug a soda because I know it. Oh my gosh, the fan, like, whoa, the light, it makes my head look all weird. And just, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna chug a soda while I listen to music. No idea what I'm gonna listen to, but, oh my gosh, I can't see the freaking thing. The song sounds pretty convincing, right? Oh my god. So cold. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, if I drink anything faster, I'm gonna throw up. Why was that loud? I'm numb. Yeah, my fur. My hair. What? And it's just, yeah. Normal people can chug water and soda in like 5 seconds, and I'm just like, no. Because I already drank the soda, and I ate all vinegar chips, and I'm gonna throw up. I really don't want to. Okay. Sugar back. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm gonna listen to the song and try to drink this.
Come now. Surely you can be friends.
Oh my god, why
I
is this
know
song
so
that
much
song?
about you. I love you. Look at everything I've done for you. You'd be nothing without me. Why don't you answer me? I bet you're really talking to some fucking slut. I need to think. Is she hotter than me? Would you fuck me? Are you gay?
Oh my god. Wow, that was terrible. Oh gosh. I think I feel more sick than I do feeling like I'm gonna burp. Oh my god, my stomach. Ow. Can I like die or what? Take my webcam. Ow. I'm putting my legs up. Ow. Yeah, I feel sick. You're welcome. Ow. That kind of burned. Ow. I bet that makes you very, very moist in the stubborn regions. Yeah, so, another 4 months of me wasting your well-deserved time, right? No, your time is not well-deserved. God, bitch. I didn't say that. What? Yeah, so this video made me look like I'm high or something. I'm not high.